In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Asana form in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a team project or handling personal tasks, Asana forms can streamline your workflow by collecting important information quickly and efficiently. Let's walk through the process of editing these forms step by step. First, start by navigating to the Asana website. Once you're there, you'll notice the login page. Enter your email address in the provided field. Remember to double check for any typing errors, as this could prevent access if the email doesn't match what's on your account. Once you've entered your email, click continue to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to input your password. Type it in carefully, ensuring it matches the requirements you've set before. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's always an option to reset it. After entering your password, click login to access your Asana dashboard. Once you're on the home page of your Asana account, you'll have a clear view of all your projects. Find the project that contains the form you wish to edit and click on it. This will open the project dashboard where you will carry out the necessary modifications. Next, look for the Customize button, usually located at the top right of your project interface. Click on Customize to access more options. You'll see an option labeled Forms. Click on it to view the forms associated with your project. To proceed, you'll need to select the form you want to edit. You'll see 3 dots next to this selection. Click on them to reveal more actions. From the drop-down menu, select Edit. With this, you'll be able to modify the form according to your needs. There are several options here. You can update the name of the form to better reflect its purpose, and add or edit a description to provide context for users who will fill it out. You also have the flexibility to add, edit, or delete questions within the form. This includes changing question types, making specific fields required, or allowing for attachments. These are practical features that can enhance the form's effectiveness by ensuring you gather the right information up front. Another important detail to consider is task settings. You can adjust them so that responses populate certain areas, such as assigning a default team member or copying answers directly to the task description for quick reference. At the top of these editing options, you'll notice you can customize the header of the form, upload a cover image, and add your organization's branding if needed. This feature is especially useful for making forms visually appealing and professional. After reviewing all your changes to make sure they reflect the intended updates and enhance your workflow, click on Save to finalize the edits. And there you have it, you're all set with an updated Asana form that meets your specific project needs.